Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about spirithalloween.com reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. People from the United States and Canada are very curious to know about this site. So, basically, this website is an online shopping store which deals with Halloween costumes. They offer different kind of Halloween costumes, so you can check it out by yourself. So next we are going to check their payment method. For that you have to scroll it down and then you will find it out here. So this website accepts American Express, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, PayPal and some more. Next let's check their shipping policy. So here they mention that orders are shipped in 2 to 4 business days. And they've also given the shipping timing for different countries, that is US, Canada and international. So we'll check the US shipping timing. Then you have to click on when will I receive my order. So here as you can see there are many shipping methods. So under standard shipping method the processing timing is 1 business days and the delivery timing is 3 to 7 business days and the total delivery timing is 4 to 8 business days. So you can check this out. But before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's talk about the legitimacy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration which keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, so this website was registered on 8th of September 1998 and it is going to expire on 7th of September 2022, which means it is a very old website and hence it can be trusted. So next if you want to know about their about us details, click on the Spirit Halloween Vault. So they have given some information about their company and about their stores and they've also mentioned the business establishment here, so you can check this out. So next if you want to know about their contact details, we'll check it. So as you can see here also they have provided the email address and also the contact number, but there is also a separate details for it. If you want to know about their contact details, you have to click on the website terms of use and then scroll it down till the end. So as you can see they have given a separate information for that, but they have only mentioned the email address out here. Also the email address name does match the domain name, so this can be taken as a positive sign. Now if you want to know about their social media presence, well this website does have social media presence over Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and some others. Also on Instagram they have over 5 lakh followers and on Facebook they have over 31 lakh followers, which is a very good sign of this website. So next we'll check their return and refund policy. So click on what is your return policy for online orders. So here they mention that if you want to return the product you have to return it within 14 days. And if you want to know about the refund you have to click on when should I see my refund. So here it has been mentioned that refunds are applied within 5 to 7 business days. So guys, please do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check out description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the spirithalloween.com reviews, we have found some reviews on Trustpilot with a 1.7 rating. One customer said that I ordered a costume and only got a piece of it. And another one has said that Spirit Halloween this year is amazing. And the trust next score of this website is 96% and the business trust ranking is 100%, which is a very good sign of this website. So guys, also the content quality seems to be fine. So in the conclusion of the spirithalloween.com reviews, this website appears to be a legit website. This website is a very old website. It has got a good social media presence. Though the reviews are all negative, but the clothes were delivered, so it is a good sign. And as you can see, the trust next score is very good, so it is a legit website. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.